morning, everyone. So I'm a little late today for the pre-market. I was not sure whether I'm coming or not. Hey, friends. Good morning. So it's already 8:53, and I just thought, okay, just let's make a quick live. We talk and we leave. Hola. Okay, so as I started late, I will just wait 30 seconds for people to join and then I start. And if you want, just hit the like button so that more like, more people, more is streaming. And Ashish, hello. Matt, should I buy AMC right away? Let me see the chart. And again, good morning. Hello. Yeah, hello everyone. Feels good. Yesterday I was very busy. I did not come, but yeah, but I was connecting with my members on my Instagram, Twitter community. I was connecting all the way. And yeah, and this morning, yes, no, but finally I came. Anyway, I do not want to talk why I came, why I did not. The main thing is we want to talk. Okay. So anytime you see any kind of lagging in video, please let me know so I can quickly disconnect and connect. You will not experience the issue, but I think it will be fast. So I'm gonna show you something before I start today. So you see something, the Wall Street Bet, the pictures, right? So this is I find swagstocks.com. So they always talk like the most talked stocks. So the ticker sentiment in Wall Street Bet, you can see the number one is CLNE, CRSR Gaming, OOF, AMC, CLOV, BlackBerry, and so on. We also see Wish somewhere. So this is chart like they talk. So sometimes this kind of thing when they talk about it, whether it's a positive, which is green, negative sentiment is red, and the comment is blue. So whenever they are talking, these things actually impact the volume of that particular stock. And you will see that CLNE, CRSR Gaming, definitely AMC, CLOV, BlackBerry, these things are flying, right? So this is something I want. Hi, hi friends. Yeah, anyone new here, please subscribe. Whoever already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe again and join the community. We also have a community. We have some wonderful people. They are just paying $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day. They are just here. Anyway, so first of all, I want to start with Wish. So looking good. We had a great day. We went 15% up. Yesterday, we went all the way. We came down. And again, after market, we are up and close to 5%. So basically 12 plus 5, 17% since my last video where I talked about $10 is a very important resistance. And whoever bought a call option or some share, you made a killing, right? So yesterday I made some call option and it was a good profit. And I know in my community, so many people here, even also the chat, they are holding Wish. I know the names, they are holding Wish. So again, things are looking good. The only thing for today, we need to make sure that if it needs to break 12 or 12.1. If you see yesterday's chart, because I think this is very important. Yesterday's chart, if you see at one point it went to almost 11.8. You see the area here, 11.8, then came down, moved sideways. And or if I zoom out a little bit, yeah, I think it will give you a better sense here. So you see the top here, that was 11.87, let's say 11.9. Then it came, moved sideways, then again pre-market this thing is running, and the good thing is went all the way to 12.2. Why 12.2? I will go there, but if you think it will run, I think it needs to go beyond 12.2 for today to run. And also see it bounced off that 11.7. If you remember, yesterday I was posting so many images in my community board that this thing will bounce from 11.25 and 11.7, and that thing actually happened. It was moving between 11.1 and 11.7. You see it was moving. It was a resistance, but this morning seems like 11.7 might become a support. So that's the good thing. If we can make it a support, so it's like a stair. So we started with 10 yesterday, then we ran up yesterday. Now we are to the next leg, we have 11.75 support, so we will move to the next one, so which is really good. And 5.32% while we are talking is 5.32%, so really good. So let's look at the chart quickly. 12.02 today. Webster, let's have a look. So yeah, okay, so let's first of all let's look at the daily chart today. And I think I have my all lines here. It's a messy, but I think it is very important for us to see how we are moving. Okay, let's come back here, right? So 10, then 11.6 for the next resistance you see here. If you can see 12.2, I drew it previously. And why it is so important, this morning you see we went to 12.2. This is the top 12.2 and came back. And where this 12.2 is coming, you see before it dropped, it has a top of 12.2. It came down at the same time just before the squeeze. You see the green candle here, these two candle, it is showing 12.2 would be resistance, and exactly the same thing happened. 12.2 pre-market we went up, we bounced, and we came back. So 12.2 we have to break. Once we break 12.2, I think we will move towards 13.3 and 15.18, and if you want to see, we will go towards 17, 20, 24. Let me look at a 5-minute chart so I can show you better, including pre-market. And so many lines here, but these lines are very important because anyone is doing day trading, I think these lines are very useful for you. So you know, like yesterday, if anyone made some day trading from 11.25 to 11.7 using some call option, congratulations. So you see how it is moving here. So yesterday we could not bring this area, and today the morning looking is strong. We went there, 12.2 came down, and now moving sideways, 11.87. We might come back to 11.75 or 11.6 area. The important thing is we have to bounce back. If we come down, we have to come here, we have to bounce, and we have to go up. If we can't break, sometimes the market is red, sometimes everything is coming down. This thing can come down. I'm not saying this is the end of the world, but it's better to go step by step instead of going one day 100%, then the next day 200% loss, right? Then the next part is 12.2. So you see the picture, right? So 11.6, 12.2, this is the range we have to see. So when we are close to 920, 925, you will see more how things are moving in which ways. Anyway, after that, 13.25, 15.18, and so on. And I'm gonna move to an hourly chart here, just to show you how things can move. Last time you see 12.2 was an important resistance. Once 12.2 was broken, that thing actually fly, right? That thing actually fly. So same thing can happen. I'm not saying it's not gonna happen. Same thing can happen. And the last thing before I move from Wish, if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just move to AMC and also CRSR Gaming, CRSR. The RSI is pointing upward, still currently at 55, perfect. Anything over 70 is overbought, but still we have some room to move. So definitely I'm bullish. So I had some call options yesterday. I did some day trading yesterday, and I made my profit, got out, but still I think it's not too late. I can get in again. Wish looking strong. Yes, I agree with you. Appreciate your input on IDEX still holding. I can go back to IDEX, but this is again between 2.5 and 3.5, and 3 is the average. So it came back to 3 again. Entirely up to you. You can just hold or more deep buy, or if you want to make a swing trade, next time it goes to 3.5, just sell and again rebuy. It is just moving within a band, so very predictable day trading or swing trading, I can say. AMC, I think this is the king, so the king always needs to come. Let me know if you're interested in AMC, because I talked about AMC and I don't know how many people are buying, but at least buy 1, 2, 3 shares of AMC, because this thing can go a lot, right? So in my last video, I talked about AMC. I have the black line here. I said we have to go up. We are going up. Currently, we are 59. Yesterday, we went around 60. Why 60 is so important? Maybe you were watching other YouTubers at the same time. APTY. Okay, other YouTuber. But the important thing is, I will just quickly go through. Look at the June 18 expiry date call option. And where is 60? YouTube is not loading. Okay. So you see how many call options are waiting, 31,000, 10,000, so many call options. So the only thing I want to just say that if AMC can close above $60 by June 18, all of the 60 strike price call option will be exercised. So the market maker, whoever sold those call options, they have to provide 100 share for each call option. So it will make a huge pressure on them, because they have to buy shares, and whenever they will start buying shares, then this is called gamma squeeze. So you will see short squeeze, gamma squeeze, everything coming together. So very important, it closed over 60 by this Friday. So next week we will see a run. If you see by Friday it is over 60, maybe you can start buying some AMC again if it is around 60, 61, because next week when they starts buying, this thing can run again. Same thing happened when it was 40, lots of call option was in the money, so the bought, it became 60, now 60 will go to 80 and so on. So it's the effect, right? JP, thank you so much, keep it up. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Yeah, I plan, this is a community, right? This is a community, we are here definitely at one time we all will meet, and this is a community we love, we talk. Okay, so APTY, because it came from one of us, so definitely I'm going there. Just before that, two more, CRSR and CLNE, if you don't mind, just hold just a little bit. So CRSR is a Wall Street bet thing, and yesterday it ran, and I know some people here in this particular channel. Is the video okay? It seems like frozen. Okay, let me know whenever there is a lag in the video, because YouTube is giving me something. So anyway, I will not spend a lot unless there is no interest on CRSR. Maybe I will just move to something else. Video is okay. Okay, perfect. So you see CRSR, this is this company has a very good fundamental, it has a wonderful earning, and in this particular channel we played CRSRs many months before. So this is something, I'm not holding CRSR anymore, but yesterday you see, just because of the Wall Street bet, this thing went from 32 to 42. It opened at 42, then came down all the way to 36, again tried to go up and again came down. And this area 36, you see the support here, is a very important area because this thing needs to hold. So I'm gonna just draw a line. Is there any fundamental for APTI? Because I never touched that one, but I hear from you that particular one. So you see the line here, right? So 36, if this thing is broken, this thing, you see there's big gap here, so this thing can fall down. So again, if you're playing, play with caution, make a stop loss or something. If it comes down, then yeah, just be careful. And whenever the stock tries to go up, yesterday it was shorted, it came down, not shorted, people sold. So I will make another video on CRSR today, but just for the pre-market thing, just want to talk that, yeah, use a stop loss, or if you're really confident it will go up, then maybe this is the point 36, then you buy. So after market it is down by 10 cents, so I will be cautious, because when the market will open, maybe people will start selling this particular one. So if I'm not playing, then I'm not going to spend some time here. CLNE, and the community here, the members here, maybe you can see the names, I don't know, is it showing on your side with the member sign? They are awesome. They give me ticker symbol name, we do healthy discussion, we talk about the stock, we talk about other things. That's a very nice community. Okay, I see, still I see there is some lagging in my video. Okay, maybe the video is better. Okay, CLNE, this is the other one. It was up 3% yesterday, but the pre-market is looking good, 6.62% this morning. And if you go to stock, the thing I showed you, CLNE is the number one here. So this thing can explode again. CLNE, APTY stopped reporting to SEC and it began to rise. Why they stopped reporting to SEC? Wow. And is there any real fundamental? I'm just thinking. Okay, so this is the last one, CLNE, then I will go to APTI. So look at CLNE. This is a clean fuel sector, so they provide again clean fuel, and this thing had a massive run, but again it was heavily shorted, plug power fuel cell, everything came down, right? So look, yesterday, so it started from 11, went to 12.5, again came down, then again aftermarket here, pre-market went up again 12.6, again came down. Important thing is, look, yesterday in the morning and this pre-market 12.5, 12.6, these tops are like a register. This thing needs to be broken before it wants to go up. On the other hand, there is a support around 11.7. It bounced off that support yesterday and again this morning, but again looks like things are coming from pre-market, so I do not know. Watch carefully before you enter. If you want to see a chart for CLNE, not really TA but news, to put money to other operations. Okay, APTI. Okay, maybe I'll just spend some time today about APTI because you mentioned on Twitter also, like I said I'll see, but I'm sorry I didn't. So on CLNE, you see 14.1, some kind of resistance came down. So twice 14 was rejected. So definitely 14 is a strong resistance. 11.8, again it was a resistance before, and again you see 11.8 was a support today, because as I showed you here that CLNE, it found a support yesterday and today around 11.8. So as long this is maintained, I think from 11.8 this thing will rise. Currently 11.9, but this thing can really run a lot. It can again go towards $13, $14. So again, if you want, you can try with some option. I'm not going to touch it. That's the only thing I just want to mention. Okay, let's go back to APTI. Is 909 already. So there is no technical, just the chart. I can talk about the chart because charting is easy. Oh wow. Oh, wow. Okay, APTI back to back 3 days, it went from 0.3 cent to almost 4 times. Wow. So congratulations. If you're holding, then you know what is happening, but pooh, there is no, yeah, I can't say there is any fundamental, or sorry, not technical, because I don't see this thing is going parabolic. The only thing I can draw a line, something like this. Maybe it is time to cool off. That's the only thing I can say. Instead of daily, if I go to a hourly chart, let me, yeah, it has some points, some kind of pattern, but again, as you said, there is no fundamental. I think some kind of support, I think anyone can draw around 0.1, then around 0.007, 0.1, 0.007, then yeah, but yeah, this thing is flying. This thing is flying. Just look at the RSI. I think the daily RSI would be huge, so it might cool off for some time. Look at the RSI. Yeah, if you are in the stock, use the trailing stop loss. The RSI is at 94. Anything can go more than 100. This is at 94. Definitely this thing should come down. Definitely it can go higher. So it is curling. The MACD is so high. Yeah, I think if you are already in and if you want to make a profit, just set a trailing stop loss. It could be with 2%, 5%, maybe 5%. Whenever it comes below 5%, it will be sold, or otherwise you will just enjoy the ride. But currently the pre-market is 0.0118. Yeah, this is really high. And yeah, it just reminded me another one, ALYI. It's an alternate system. So they are an electric bike company, and they are the same price, 0.0035. And this thing, I played this one so many times, made 10 times money. So again, you see the current price is 0.03. So 0.3 cent, it went to 2 cents. So almost 10 times your money came down. And currently the price it is waiting, this is the bottom here, right? So this is the bottom, which is 0.035, this area. So as long it moves sideways or it starts bouncing, maybe I will just get in, because this thing can give you some money, and also it will make sure that the downward trend is broken. So again, this is a good one, because if you enter here from 3, it went to 6, from 3 it went to 10, and also it went to 20. And they are an electric motorbike company in Africa. They also have their own cryptocurrency, Revolt token, and this thing has a future. But again, it's a super penny stock, 0.3 cent. Just spend $100 or $50, buy a lot of things and just forget. But just looking at the chart, you see this is the bottom, right? Almost the bottom, because these were the resistance before. Then that particular current price was acting like a support for so many times. So maybe this is a good time if you want. Also the RSI is 35. Maybe it can come down a little bit before it starts, but you see the RSI, it never came below 36, and the current RSI is 34. If you want, just spend $100 and you can get 30,000 ALY shares. Anyway, okay, so yep, great. Thank you for your input. Which stock is that ticker? This is ALYI. If you want, I can. I think I made a video previously on ALYI, and I can make another video, but this is a very interesting stock, electric motorbike in Africa. And definitely in Africa people use a motorbike. So again, electric, this is something new in Africa, so they can capture the entire market in Africa. And they also follow Tesla, and they come up with PR almost every day. You can see all my charting because I used to play this particular one. And I don't know, whenever I'm live, my web page becomes very slow. But anyway, alternate system electric. Okay, it's 9:13. Just want to talk quickly with SOS and its skills before I stop, and definitely APTI, I think I talk right. Yeah, IDEX. Okay, so this is ALYI alternate system inc.com, and they have a bike. You just press the button. This is the power button, and I think my video is lagging again. So basically you click on the power button. This electric bike, they have a nice video. Anyway, I'm not here to show you the video, but if you want, you can see there are so many not so many, only very few people cover ALYI, and I've covered some of them. If you want, you can watch my previous video, or I can make another one because the price looks, this is the bottom, right? So yeah, okay, good. This is not the particular one, but the Revolt electric motorbike. So that's the electric motorbike. You see the pictures here, isn't it nice? So one passenger can also sit here, right? Anyway, so also let me write ALYI electric motorbikes. Okay, let's go back to other ones before I stop. 9:15. So yeah, skills 8% yesterday. Let me know if you want to see anything with the skills, otherwise I'll just go move to SOS. Another one, SOS. So wild ride, lots of profit, came down, so it was up 5% yesterday, 1.73 yesterday. And SOS, and it's a Bitcoin play, and there was so many short seller report, but they came up with a video that they have actual Bitcoin mining. This is situated in China. So many things happening, share offering, news and everything, but you can see that thing is crazy. It went to $16. It went, so the first time we talked about it, I think it was $3 or $4, or the first video was $7 most probably, before the breakout. Yeah, so from 7 we went to 16, came down. Anyway, that's not the thing, how much money we make. The important thing is just looking at the chart. Seems like it found the bottom, it is reversing, and it will go up. Another video is coming on SOS because I know many people who are subscribed, they hold SOS, but it is looking a nice trend. I think it will go and hit 4.64 soon, and 4.6 is a very important point. Once 4.6 is broken, this thing will fly. So this is again SOS. If you're not into this particular stock, I would say don't touch it for now. Just if your average is really high, just whenever you get a break even, just get out. The same thing is applied for FT. Okay, so this is 9:16. As normally I stop just before 10 minutes, so I do not want maybe the BlackBerry, and people are also leaving before the trading, everyone is leaving. So that's the BlackBerry chart. Again, the BlackBerry chart is again nothing specific. I think they have an earning coming soon. The earning will be on 24th of June, so it could be a catalyst. But again, just looking at the chart, nothing funny. Maybe AMC will have, but the important thing is this thing should hold the support at 13.75, and for last 3 back-to-back trading days, I'm showing you daily chart, you see 13.75 is held strong. But the good thing is now on the other side of this line, so this is very important. Maybe this is the time it will bounce back. And definitely AMC, I talked in the morning little bit, AMC is looking okay. And before I stop, let me show you the wish is 3.73. Anyway, seems like most of the things pre-market are coming down. Be cautious, do not just jump in at 9:30. Watch the market for some time and then you get in. And PB, AMC, CLNE, yeah, if you want to some kind of day trading, definitely wish is on my list. CRSR, if it really bounce back from 36, maybe I will get in, but again this is very risky. SOS, I have lots of shares. CLNE, yes, CLNE is the important one. If it can hold 11.8, I think this will go towards 12.2, 12.5 or $13. But seems like lots of pre-market, some of the gains, some of the stocks we had is coming down. And one last chance, if you want me to cover anything, or I will just close. And again, please make sure you lock your profit. You lock your profit. You never know, anything can happen with the market. Any kind of bad catalyst, anything can come and destroy everything. So always make sure you lock your profit, or you have a stop loss, or you have a trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss is always the best. As long the price goes up, your stop loss also goes up. So don't forget to use that. And also, just lock your profit. Don't be too emotional, because sometimes we get too emotional with particular ticker, then yeah, then things can happen. And this is wish. Before I go, you see here it has been coming down and it is testing our 11.75. It came to 11.64. Careful, just be careful, because this thing looking like the pre-market, it is losing the steam. So from 12.2 pre-market, currently it is 11.7. So watch the market. I sold my wish call option yesterday. I might get in again if I see it comes down. So I'm not going to talk which support, because I do not want to talk about a low price circuit, because I'm really bullish on wish. And again, if something can go 12% one day, the next day it can come back. It can even come red by 2%. It does not mean everything is destroyed. Going at the top step by step is always healthy. Keep that in mind. If it goes too much, it will fall the next very day. Anyway, IDEX, please hold. Okay, the last chart for IDEX. This thing is really anyway, anyone new here, please subscribe. And if you want, you can join our community. It costs only 10 cents a day. Soon, not soon, like when I will have a more people in entry level, maybe I will move to another level where I will give like specific need specific video only for one person, so YouTube can give me 5 different levels, 5 or 6. So currently I have only one level, and whoever is at the current level, I will just upgrade them most probably, because I love those people. But anyway, you can always join, we can chat. But you see, IDEX 3.6, 3.5, and again 2.5, that's the range. So if IDEX bounce from this $3 area, very good, it will go up. But on the other hand, it can again come back to 2.6 or 2.5. Their earning is gone, so maybe they do not have any catalyst. If you are in profit, just use trailing stop loss, get out, and again get in again. But things like back to back 3 candles, it was not okay. Even yesterday's candle, you see here the daily, so it's like a falling hammer. So anyway, it might bounce off that 3, or it might just fall and it come back to 2.8 area again. I sold my IDEX, most of them, because this looks like a very easy swing trade. Stacy, hi all, good morning Stacy, welcome to the chat. Yeah, I see so many members are here, because I think their names are showing in green, and also it shows me a sign. So yeah, Stacy, JP, yeah, some of the people here they are very active. We talk Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. We talk a lot. It's not only trading, it's a community. We talk. We are here to make money, and not only just making money, go to the office, make some money and come back. No, it's a community. We talk, we have fun. AMC, what should I do? Hold. The only thing I should say, hold. I don't know what is your AMC, Matt. I'm just holding, because for AMC I'm not gonna sell before 100. But the important thing is by Friday AMC needs to be over 60, and again 70 is a resistance. As it will break the 70, then AMC will fly. But 60 by end of the week is the most important thing, otherwise things can tumble. Again, for AMC, if you're in a huge profit, please use a trailing stop loss, maybe 10%, because AMC is very volatile. So if you got in at AMC at $10, you are in a profit. So if AMC comes more than 10%, it will be sold automatically, and then you can rebuy again. So in that case, you are always protecting your profit. I had AMC shares from $3. I sold at 17, but it was in February. But now you see. Anyway, Stacy, hi JP. Yeah, we know each other, right? Okay, it's 9:22. I think I should close. Again, please hit the like button. And again, JP, should I talk about your full name or just use JP? Uh, he loves photography. He loves photography. He takes nice picture. I checked his Instagram page. He loves photography. He takes nice picture, and I'm planning to meet him. And most probably we can take picture, and we can have some nice coffee coming soon. Anyway, new here, please subscribe. If you're not joined yet to our community, you can give a try. If you don't like it after 1 month, you can leave. Just a $3 a month, so just a morning coffee, right? So again, and at least hit the like button, and also leave your comment just to share your ideas. Is it working well? am I meeting your expectation? At the same time, your members, you can always go to the community board and you can share what was your expectation from the community, and am I meeting or am I doing good? Just want to hear, right? Here we are friends, we are community. Anyway, I'm just talking too much. It's 9:23. We need some time for making the coffee. 9:30 is coming. So last of all, just want to check again, wish 11.7. As I'm saying, 11.7 is the important part. We have to make sure. But if market opens, if it tumbles, then it can come back all the way to 11.25 area. So again, 11.25 or 11.4. So just be cautious. Okay. So AMC, hey JP, should I buy right at the bell? I never say right at the bell because the first 10-15 minutes is always very, very volatile. If you really know this is the support and it will bounce, then you can buy. But sometimes the shorts, they come and they know this is the level people will buy, and suddenly they just sell everything. A big number of things are dumped and price comes down. So if you really do not know, then don't buy at the open. Especially swing traders, do not target first half an hour. For day traders, sometimes it is okay, sometimes not okay, because day trading is high risk, high reward. And I only do call option mostly for day trading, but again, some play I win, some I lose. But keep that in mind. Make sure if you play 10 trade, maybe 8 trade is a losing trade and only 2 are a winning trade. But for the winning trade, the big one, people, they make big money on the winning one. Or maybe for the 8 they lost, they cut their losses. So cut your loss, maximize your profit. That's the thing, right? So if you see you are in loss, just cut your loss, and whichever is giving you money, just make sure to maximize. Okay, good luck to all every day. Thank you everyone. Subscribe, join, like, comment, and let's make money together. Thank you everyone. I'm gonna close it and let's take a 5-minute break. 9:30 is coming. And again, wish 11.8. I see wish is going back again. 11.8 looking good. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.